main challenge in our packing and grading room that Zeagold highlighted was the staff welfare. We had an area that was just very congested with staff and packing, where they were having to lift a product from the packing area, twist 180 degrees and place it on pallets. So not only was there lifting and applying the labelling, there was a lot of staff in one area. So by putting in the Dyno Conveyor system, we've been able to take that pressure away. So that decrease in pressure at the packaging point has been instrumental in keeping staff a lot happier. At Zeagold Nutrition, we're mainly responsible for packing and grading all the eggs that are produced in Otago. There's anywhere between 600,000 and 700,000 eggs a day being packed and graded here. On top of that, we have a commercial egg product which is packaged and frozen and sent out to commercial customers. The product we got from Dyno once we had finished was exactly what we were after. We've got a happier workforce, we've got a more spread out working environment. I think our productivity has improved anyway because our packaging has become a lot faster and we have a lot less mess, so we've got less cleanup afterwards as well. So all those factors together have been an improvement from day one. When we started dealing with Dyno, we discovered straight away that they were easy to work with. The whole installation process went smoothly. We were still toying with the design even through the installation process, so Dyno had to come up just with a clever solution of the reality of putting a box shipper onto the conveyor whilst making it easy for the staff to manoeuvre in and out of the lanes. So we worked together with Dyno to just overcome that and just to make some tweaks to make it easier. And the 2-day time slot we had to put this in, Dyno ensured that that wasn't held up in any way. We're very happy with the Dyno product, and I could recommend them to anybody that had a similar situation where they needed to move a large amount of product accurately and with limited downtime, and we've had a good result from the automation we've put in, and it has made it a much easier working environment to be involved in.